Hello everyone, welcome to this training program on statistical data analysis using SPSS. My name is Vamsidhar, and in this session I will take you through the mechanism of identifying the outliers through descriptive statistics. Descriptives is a kind of a procedure which is there in SPSS, just like the way we discussed about the usage of frequencies. What I can do is, using the descriptives also, I can do the summary statistics, especially for scale data, finding out the mean, median, mode, or even standard deviation, or even the distribution based calculations like skewness, kurtosis, etc. Even those things can be done using the descriptives procedure also. But more importantly, apart from that, we can it can even help us in identifying the unusual cases across the various variables by computing what is called as a Z score. Z is an indicator for normal distribution. So standard normal distribution is what we call as a Z distribution, and the standard normal distribution will have a mean equal to 0 and variance equal to 1. So any data, whatever may be the data, if I have to convert into a standard normal form, what I would be doing is that each of the values, I subtract the mean from it and divide it by the standard deviation of it. This is what will create a standard normal distribution equivalent, or typically called as a Z score. So every data, whatever may be the size of it, whatever may be the dimension of it, it would be converted into a standard normal form with a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1, which means whether we are dealing with the cholesterol levels, which may vary from 2 to 1000, or we are dealing with heights which may vary from let's say 50 to 80 inches. Whatever may be the size, whatever may be the range, all of them would be converted into a standard normal form, so that the comparisons can be done quite comfortably, so that identification of the outliers can be done quite comfortably. So that is what we are going to stress upon here. So what we are saying is the descriptive procedure actually helps us in identifying the unusual cases. Typically, sometimes we call them as outliers, but I'm not using the word outlier because we'll discuss about it slightly later. The major mechanism it uses is computing the Z score, which means it is assuming that the data is normal. The distribution of the data is normal, and based on that assumption, it is computing the Z score, and after that we will expose all those Z scores to a box plot. We'll talk about this box plot also, but the box plot directly gives us some kind of indications regarding the unusual values that are present in the data. So what we'll do is, on our data set, I would like to look at this following question. The case question which I would like to address here is, convert the height, the weight, the cholesterol levels, and the wrist. All these things, convert it